Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your speaker with the phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. Let's say you listen to music in Apple Music. Remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application and update if you haven't. Next step is to check if your speaker have the latest software version. Open JBL Portable application and your speaker should be connected with the app. It will open for you speaker menu, but if you're in the main menu, just tap at your speaker at the device list. Then scroll down and click at the product information at the bottom. Right here we have software. You need to tap at this line if nothing happens, meaning that you have the latest software version. If you enter to another menu, at the bottom you'll find the button update, and you need to tap at this button. Do not close the application, just wait until this update finished. Do not use your speaker also. Next step is to restart your phone. I use this speaker with the phone, so I should restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, on the front side on the speaker, we have play pause button and volume up button. You need to press and hold these buttons simultaneously for at least 2 seconds. 1, 2, then release your fingers. And your speaker turn off. So firstly let's turn on it, press one time at the power button at the top. And now go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker, and then click forget this device. You may have forget device button or unpair button or remove or something else. And forget device. And you will remove the speaker. Without it, if you try to reconnect your speaker, you tap on it on iOS. It will ask you to remove this device. On Android, it will show you connectional trouble. And you need to remove it. After you remove your speaker, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button. Tap at this button. Then you will see your speaker as the device list. Tap at your speaker, and we just reconnect it. If you want to reconnect also to the application, hide the settings, open JBL Portable app, then wait a bit, and as you can see, it reconnects to the application automatically. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!